everybody, it is Beauty Mama, and today we are trying to attempt this look. Yes, I did something completely different and was trying to go for, and it's just the accents of an orange tone, and there'll be a picture of it later and you can see what I was trying to go for. I did a candy corn lip look and candy corn eyeshadow look. I like this idea. I know it looks kind of unique, I guess you could put it, but nothing wrong with it. I like it, but I'm going to take this to school so I can show my son after school, picking him up and everything. I already told him, you know, I'm going to be doing this. He got excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, oh well, give it a thumbs down. It's not going to hurt me any. But if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It helps me out. And don't forget to watch the video all the way through. It does help me out on that long term as well. And press that notification bell to stay tuned to my next videos. I love you guys. Have a great Monday, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. So, as you can tell in the intro, we are doing a candy corn pumpkin kind of theme. Eyeshadow plus I'm going to add, as you can tell on the intro, I have like accents of orange in my face to make that pumpkin look. And it's something new for me. So, I don't know if you can tell if I did good or not. Give the video a thumbs up if you did, obviously. But first we're going to go in, because I already concealed my face, foundation, powdered it, set the powder and everything, just to get that done and out of the way. But we're going to go in now with Balm Cosmetic. I'm going to take my fluffy tapered brush, mini tapered brush from Ferrara. I'm going to go in with the Volume 2 Matte Cosmetic Palette, or Balm Cosmetic Palette. I'm going to take the Meet Matador Matte Russo as a base. And we're just going to cut the crease with that. Now we got the base on. We're going to go in with the same brush, tapered, just clean it off. Hi, baby. Got my dog in here. We're going to go in with the blush palette from NYX, and we're going to take this brown pink, I can't remember, like a brown orange. We're just going to dab it in there because it's really pigmented. And we're going to cut the crease underneath the crease. We're going to take a blending brush. I have Beauty Accents blender. We're going to go in with Estate Cosmetics Pipe Shade color. And I like to call it my Oompa Loompa color. It has this golden brown orange bronze to it. And we're just going to pick some of it up. I'm just going to stick it on the outer crease. Now we're going to go in with the blush palette again, and we're going to go with the straight orange. It's like light orange, but it's a blush part, so it doesn't go on dark. You just got to make it dark. And we're going to stick with the accent one as well. And we're just going to stick it at the corner. We're going to go in with, where's the brush? We're going to go in with the New Crown 2-in-1 dual brush, eyelid kind of bluff brush, and then there's a pencil brush. And now we're going to go in with the highlight palette that I have from Colorspell, like this. We're going to go straight in with this yellow. We're going to take this, and we're just going to run it across, because, here. I love that. We're going to take it right at the middle. gonna go with a small angled fluff brush. I'm gonna go in to the sides, and I'm building this up, so I'm gonna take a CoverGirl. I don't know what palette this part is, but we're gonna take this matte white, and we're just gonna stick it in crease. And this is, it's obviously white, but it's shiny. We're gonna take the white eyeliner now. If you want to touch up the rest, you can. So I'm going to go in with the smaller taper brush, go back over the colors, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I added the extra oomph to it. So now we're going to take, because I have two pencil brushes, I'm going to use one for each. And we're going to go under and, you know, add the same colors underneath your eye. Highlight. Where is, I'm gonna take my other mini shading eyelid brush from Furrow. I'm just gonna go in with the skin color neutral nude, I don't know, skin color highlight. Just run it across the top. And then we're gonna take a fluffy brush right after, and we're gonna band together all the colors on our eyelids. Just in the creases, obviously. So they're not so harsh on the lines. Okay, we're gonna go in with the eyeliner and try to do a wing. So we're gonna go in with the mascara I got from Ipsy, the Betty Boop, and let's go with it. Now, lastly, or not lastly, next we need to go in and bronze the areas that we want. So I got my Balm Cosmetic Bahama Mama. I don't know why. Here's the tricky part. We are going to turn our face into a pumpkin, kind of pumpkin. We're just doing accents to our features and everything around our head. Our hairline, our nose, our chin, cheeks. We're gonna go in with the cheek, the NYX cheek palette with that orange. We're taking a full face brush, and like on the cheeks, we'll do like, or something, I don't know, a blush brush or something. I insert a picture here. And we're gonna try, and it's not gonna be grain like that for the witch, but we're gonna go for an orange feel, okay? For the pumpkin part. So I'm just gonna go in with the orange part of the palette. We're gonna go into highlight and highlight the accents points. Make sure you clean off your brushes after using the orange. I'm gonna go in with Balm Cosmetics Mary Lou Manizer highlight. I'm just gonna put it on the places that don't have the orange. Now we are finished with the face, we just gotta do up the lips. And what I'm gonna do, and I haven't seen anybody else try this with the way I'm doing it. So I'm gonna lay down a gloss, doesn't matter what kind of gloss, just lay one down. And now I'm gonna go in color coordinating with my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take the shiniest orange I have, which is the Pipe from Estate. And if you don't have this, you can always do something else. And I'm just gonna stick it right on the edges of my lips. Make sure you clean your finger off every single time so you don't ruin your eyeshadows. Going the yellow from the highlight palette that we used. I'm gonna go in there. Stick it around the edges. Right here. And you can obviously tell what goes in the middle. The white highlight from the same eyeshadow highlight palette that I'm just going to use. It's actually pretty cool. Let's see if I can lay some gloss without ruining it. I really want to, like, you know, move your lips around just to smear it in. Oh, I don't want to. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm over here talking to myself. The orange accent. Makes that pumpkin look. Got the candy corn to go along with it. I know there is a lot of people out there that don't like candy corn, but you can't really go wrong with this look. And if you don't want the pumpkin accents, you don't have to. I'm doing it just because it's 3 days into Halloween. Why not? So I'll put some photos in after the video of a more close-up and better lighting, like I normally do. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next video.